Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate organic trading volume for your Solana token using the volume bot on Solauncher. This is a great tool if you want your token to show real trading activity. Let's get into it. Start by heading over to solauncher.org. On the sidebar, click on Volume Bot to get started. This tool auto-generates organic trading activity for your token using what are called maker wallets, separate wallets that execute buys and sells on your behalf. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Bot type. There are 3 options here: volume, booster, and advanced. Volume generates buy and sell volume using maker wallets per cycle. This is your straightforward organic activity generator. Booster runs 3 buy to sell cycles per wallet, then sends a final buy directly to you. And advanced gives you full control: custom buy ranges, token disposal settings, and organic delay per maker. For this tutorial, I'll be using the volume bot type, since it's the simplest way to get started. Step 2. Token to trade. Paste in your token's mint address. Then choose your swap route. You've got Raydium CPMM, Raydium AMM v4, Meteora CP-AMM, Jupiter, Pump.Fun, or PumpSwap. Pick whichever route matches where your token's liquidity actually lives. Step 3. Bot configuration. First, set your maker wallets. You can choose anywhere from 1 to 1,000 wallets. For this tutorial, I'm using just 10 makers to keep things quick. But in a real run, you can scale this up significantly depending on your budget. Next, set your total SOL budget. This gets split evenly across all your maker wallets. Then choose your bot speed. Slow at around 100 per hour, normal at around 200 per hour, or fast at around 300 per hour. For 10 makers, you're looking at roughly 6 to 9 minutes to complete the full run. You'll also set your priority fee: 0, low at 0.00005 SOL, or high at 0.0005 SOL. And finally, your slippage tolerance. The default is 1%, and higher percentage here help reduce failed swaps. Step 4, and this is important, the fee breakdown. Let's go through exactly where your SOL goes. First, the total you'll send. This is the full amount leaving your wallet in a single transaction. It covers your trading capital, a gas reserve for all your maker wallets, and the platform service fee. Next is your trading budget, split evenly across your maker wallets, where each one executes 1 buy and 1 sell cycle, then sweeps any remaining SOL back to you. Then there's the gas reserve. This is preloaded SOL for network fees, covering things like WSOL and token account rent, transaction signatures, and priority fees. The good news? Any unused portion gets refunded straight back to your wallet after the run. And finally, the service fee, a one-time platform fee of 0.025 SOL per 100 makers. At the end of it all, you'll get an estimated refund. That's the unspent trading SOL plus the unused gas reserve, swept right back to your wallet. So your actual estimated net cost is just the DEX swap fees, service fees, and network gas. Everything else comes back to you. Once you've reviewed your fee breakdown, just click Start Volume Bot. And that's it. Your makers will start executing buy and sell cycles automatically. While it's running, you can watch everything happen live in the bot activity log. Every single swap gets logged in real time, complete with a direct link to SolScan, so you can verify everything on-chain as it happens. And that's how you generate organic trading volume for your Solana token using the volume bot on Solauncher. If this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more Solauncher tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you'd like a full breakdown of the booster or advanced bot types next.